Maintain adequate fire separation between buildings and units to prevent fire spread and meet code requirements. When applying the fire separation thumb rule for houses, we focus on occupancy type and the distance to adjacent structures or property lines, with common practice calling for a minimum of 5 feet for many residential situations, while higher risk occupancies require greater separation. Start by identifying the occupancy classification of each building and use that to determine required separation distances and allowable openings in walls. Where distance is limited, use fire-rated wall and ceiling assemblies rated for the appropriate time period, such as 1 hour or 2 hours, and ensure they extend continuously through floors and roof lines to form a true fire barrier. Install firestops and draftstops at framing penetrations and concealed spaces to stop flame and hot gas migration, and detail these at junctions using compatible rated materials. Protect openings, including windows, vents, and doors with approved protection, or limiting the size and number of openings based on the separation distance, and maintain clear egress paths so occupants can escape without passing through compromised zones. Always consult the adopted building code and local amendments, measure actual clearances on site, and document compliance with drawings and photos so decisions are defensible during plan review and inspection. Common mistakes include assuming the thumb rule replaces code requirements, which can lead to underestimating needed fire resistance. Fix this by cross-checking the thumb rule against the specific building code tables and local amendments. Another frequent issue is ignoring concealed spaces and service penetrations where fire and smoke can travel. Remedy this by sealing penetrations with tested firestop systems and inserting draftstops at attic and crawl spaces. A third problem is treating measured distances as centerline to centerline rather than face to face, which reduces actual separation. Correct this by measuring the shortest exterior face to exterior face clearance and adjusting openings or assemblies accordingly. BigHomeProjects.com is our platform where homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work, focused on connecting people around home safety and improvements like fire separation. We host a discussion community where we and our users share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about code interpretation, detailing, and contractor experiences.